How to change clothes in The Last of Us 2. So in The Last of Us 2 or Part 2, you can change costumes of Ellie and Abby in the main menu by going to another mode and then selecting the character and costume. So in the no return mode, costumes are unlocked by completing encounters as specific characters, and that's according to Polygon. So first, you want to navigate to the main menu, which is the start of The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered. Then select another mode. So choose this option to access the game modes that allow custom changes. Then choose your character like either Ellie or Abby. Then access the customization menu. This is where you'll find the costume options. And then equip your desired costumes. Select the costume you want to use. Then confirm your selection and make sure the costume is equipped before starting the game. But in no return mode, the process is slightly different. So you need to start the no return mode, which is access this like the roguelike mode. Then unlock the characters. So some characters like Dina are unlocked by completing encounters as other characters. Then you can choose your character and costume. You can select them from the unlocked characters and their available costumes.